You may need to bypass iCloud activation lock to take full control of your device. Well, keep watching to find the 5 smart strategies to get past activation lock on your iPhone or iPad. Way 1. Bypass iCloud activation lock via iOS unlock. Want to bypass the iCloud activation lock with an advanced tool? Consider using iOS unlock. This software can quickly and safely bypass iCloud lock, screen lock, Apple ID or iCloud account, MDM, and more. Way 2. Bypass activation lock via iCloud. Find My feature. If you have the necessary details from the person who sold you the second-hand iPhone or iPad, using iCloud to remove the activation lock is the quickest solution. Way 3. Bypass activation lock on iPhone permanently. To use a second-hand iPhone, bypass the iCloud lock permanently for full access to device functions. Choose an effective method to remove the lock. Way 4. Get past activation lock on iPhone or iPad via DNS. If you're seeking a free iPhone activation lock bypass, try changing the DNS of your device. Please note that you should have a SIM card installed on the iPhone, and your device should run iOS 8 to iOS 10. Way 5. Bypass activation lock on iPhone by iCloud Activation Bypass Tool. The iCloud Activation Bypass Tool is one of the few functional programs that can bypass iCloud activation for iPhones and iPads. It exploits an Apple security vulnerability to remove the activation lock. Way 6. Bypass iCloud activation lock by contacting Apple support.